guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday and it's the day after Valentine's Day. So yesterday we stayed in and had a movie night and just relaxed at home. We made a palette and watched a movie. It was so fun, but the house is kind of a wreck. And also our washing machine broke down about a week and a half ago. So I literally haven't been able to do laundry in a week and a half. So I am really behind on that. We finally ordered a part on Amazon and got that in. Taylor fixed it. Thank goodness. It was only like $23. Didn't have to buy a new washing machine, so very thankful for that, but I'm so behind on laundry. We just went to Menards and ate breakfast at Cracker Barrel. We're transitioning Brooks's bedroom into a big boy room and making him a new headboard for his new big bed. So Taylor's outside doing that. While he's doing that, I'm going to clean the house and get it back in order. I usually try to clean it over the weekend or towards the beginning of the week. So I'm going to go ahead and do it today since I have a few hours. Brooks is playing in his playroom, so I'm going to tackle the house now. So if you need some cleaning motivation as well to get your house back in order and clean before the week, then you're in the right place. I'm going to put on music and also talk through some of the things that I'm doing throughout this video. So hopefully it inspires you and motivates you to tackle your to-do list as well. If you guys like my videos, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I post a new video. And also share these videos on your Instagram, on your social medias, sharing them with others if you think they'll motivate other people as well. It really helps me out, and I'm so thankful you guys are here and are going to spend a little bit of time with me today. And make sure to leave me a comment below. I try to respond to every single comment and I love talking to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started in today's cleaning video. Alright, we're going to start out in the living room by folding all of these blankets and putting away all of the pillows from the night before when we had our at-home movie night with Taylor and Brooks and I. And it was so nice to just stay in and not have to fight the crowd on trying to get dinner. But I think we are going to go somewhere to eat this weekend for Valentine's Day. So I'm really excited about that. But I'm just going to go ahead and take the pillows back to our room and then the blankets in this little linen closet, and then I'm going to straighten up the couch. So I will say we got this couch last fall and I still love it so much. It's held up really well. It's so comfy. I really didn't know how I felt about a sectional, especially with a big ottoman, but I'm really glad we did get the ottoman because it's so cozy to just push it up against the couch and it almost feels like a bed. So very comfortable and I would highly recommend. But I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up the pillows. I think for whenever I decorate for spring, I'm going to get some new pillows or get some pillow covers. So let me know if you guys have any good recommendations. But now I'm going to use some of my Simply Earth oils, the Tranquility, Relief, and I believe Lemon. Yep, and if you guys ever want to get your hands on some of these oils, I always have a link in my description box. It's a lot more affordable than some of the other brands, and I really love them. So now I'm going to move my little calendar to the correct day. I got this from the Dollar General of all places, and I love it. So now we're going to head into the bedroom and make the bed. I am doing this a little bit later than normal today. I try to do it first thing in the morning. That way I'm just really motivated for the day and I don't have to keep walking into the room and feeling overwhelmed by it. So I'm just going to make the bed and then we will move on. Now I'm going to lint roll our comforter. I don't do this every single day, but I would say maybe every third day, just so I can get all the dog hair off of the bed. I really want to get a lint roller that I don't have to actually use a lint roll, if that makes sense. Like maybe one of those like suction ones you can just like suck all of the dog hair off. I don't know. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know, because I hate wasting lint rollers. And I actually do have a really big lint roller, but I don't have any of the refills. So now I'm going to spray my Rosewater Driftwood Caldrea spray, and it's so good. If you guys know, you know. And then I'm going to start dusting off our room. Again, I don't do this every day, but it just feels good to have a clean space where you know that everything is dusted and nice and fresh, and plus it makes the room smell so good.
Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Now I'm using a new product. This is an E-cloth stainless steel and mirror / glass cleaner. And you guys, this is just the rag, and I cannot believe how well it works. All you do is get it wet, wring it out, and then you're good to go. You can clean your mirrors, your windows. So what I did was I just went ahead and wiped down all the mirrors in our house, all of the windows, anything I wanted to get clean. I went ahead and did it now while the rag was still wet. But this product is amazing, amazing. I cannot get over it. So I'll have E-cloth linked down below if you guys want to get one for yourself and try it out. It cleans the stainless steel so well, so I'm very impressed with it.
I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
I needed to clean the bathrooms, so I'm starting out in ours, and I always like to sweep out the bathroom before I get started cleaning, because it never fails. The floor gets wet, and then it's hard to sweep up dust and hair and stuff whenever the floor is wet. So I like to just sweep it all out real quick before I get started cleaning. And you guys, this is sick. It was so gross. Anytime I blow dry my hair, it seems like there's always so much hair everywhere, and here is the proof. I'm also going to clean out my tub and shower. So what I do for this is I get the hot water ready, and I just kind of rinse the tub out, and then I will spray the sides down with my Method bathroom cleaner. Sometimes I'll use the anti-bac as well, and that works good. And then I use this Bon Ami, I think that's how you say it, scrub for the bottom. And I take a really tough bristle scrub brush and just scrub the bottom of the tub with it. And it works so well. It's always so clean, and it just makes me feel good knowing that I have a clean tub to get into. And then now moving into the shower, same thing. I'm going to clear it out, and I'm first going to wipe the walls down with hot water and a rag. And I always make sure to wear my gloves because I've got super sensitive hands. But after I get this all wiped down, then I'm going to spray that same bathroom cleaner and let it sit for a little bit, just to try to break down all of the soap and stuff off the walls. And then I will wipe it down again, and then I'll also do the same thing. I'll put that Bon Ami scrub in the bottom of the shower, and then I'll take a little bit of water and scrub it out, and it gets the shower nice and clean. So once I'm done with that, I clean off the countertops and the toilet area, and now I'm going to steam mop the bathroom. And what's good about this one is I can put it on a scrub setting and really get in there and clean the floors really well. So what I do for this is just water and a little bit of lemon essential oil. So love it. It smells so good, and it works great. So now I'm heading into the rest of the house just to straighten up a little bit. This rug always gets moved around and shoes always pile up in this area. This is our like main traffic area, I would say, in our home. So I'm just gonna put some of those things away and then move into the kitchen.
Complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
After the dishes are done, I'm going to give the countertops a good wipe down. I've been using the Method Daily Granite Cleaner in the Scent Apple Orchard, and it smells so good. And I also have some microfiber cloths from Grove Collaborative that I've been using, and I can reuse them throughout the day and even keep them a couple days until they get a little bit dirty and then just throw them in the wash. And it's worked out really well. So if you guys want to get your hands on some Grove Collaborative products, I always have my link down in the description box. If you sign up and spend $20, you can get a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's set. I know they do change this up every so often though. I think right now they have a really nice caddy that you can put all of your cleaning products in that you get for free as well. So little man woke up from his nap during this, so I'm just telling him hey, and then we will continue cleaning on. Now I'm going to clean off my stainless steel products with that same e-cloth. And you guys, if you can't tell, I'm not sure if you can from the video, but it just takes any watermark, fingerprint mark off instantly, and you don't have to worry about it streaking because it's just water. So such a good product. I'm so glad that I found it, and I did order it off of Grove Collaborative as well. But I know that they were running a sale on their actual e-cloth website, so definitely check that out if they're still running it. It would be a great time to pick up some of their products.
'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same.
Now moving into Brooks's bathroom, and this one has been getting super dirty lately because Brooks is potty training, and it's been a process, you guys. If you have a little one and you're going through potty training, I feel you on a different level. You guys, it is no joke. So he's got a little potty there. I'm going to clean out real good and make sure the floor is all nice and clean. But I'm going to start out with the bathtub and get that nice and clean for him. I like to do this at least once a week. And then I'm going to use that Method bathroom cleaner for his little potty and the big one. So I've got double toilets to clean in here, but this little one is so much better for him to use right now. He can use a big one, but just for every day, he just runs in there and can do it on his own. So it's really nice. And then I'm just going to clean off the countertops and get them nice and clean as well. He's constantly up here brushing his teeth and washing his hands, fixing his hair. I feel like we're always in the bathroom, but I'm also going to put up a new hand towel. And then once everything is cleaned, I'm going to steam mop this bathroom as well. And you can see how dirty the steam mop gets. Luckily, you can flip it over and use the other side. And I am so surprised at how dirty it always gets, even in such a little space. So definitely check out that steam mop. I'll have it linked to my Amazon store down below. But now I'm just gonna quickly do a tidy up in the playroom and Brooks's room. And fun fact, I filmed this video before we transformed his big boy room. So over the weekend after this video, we gave him a big bed. He now has a full-size bed, and Taylor built him a headboard, and I totally moved everything around and transformed his room into an older boy version, and it turned out so cute. So I'll have that video linked down below. It's under my weekend projects video, and it turned out so good. So now I'm gonna let my robot vacuum do all of the work, and Brooks is just as excited as I am about it. He was cracking me up, but it is by the brand Nido, and I love it. It's so good. And then I'm just going to give our couch a quick lint roll as well. I just like to do this before anybody comes over, and usually about every other day I'm lint rolling it, honestly. So I need to figure out a better solution for this so I'm not as wasteful with the lint rolls. My hardwood floors, I decided to pull out my Swiffer mop, and I'm just using the dry pads for pets, and these work really well for just getting all of the dirt and lint and hair and stuff off of your floors. They're definitely more heavy duty than the normal ones, so I decided to just quickly wipe down the floors. I do this pretty much every day, or at least try to keep all of Colt's hair at bay and not have like the floors so dirty. So these work out really well, and you can do it so quickly because it's so light. So highly recommend having a Swiffer mop over like just your regular broom on hardwood floors. It really is a lifesaver.
To be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me. To be my everything, shot away.
Once all of the floors are done, I'm going to use my Bona mop to give them a quick mopping. This works out so well. All you do is spray the nozzle and it gives you all of the solution on the floor, and you can just mop it up. And I actually got mine at Target, but I seen one yesterday at TJ Maxx for only $20 for the whole system, and I thought that was a great deal. So if you guys want to get your hands on one, you could definitely check out TJ Maxx and see if they might have one. I'm sure Home Goods probably has them as well, so just keep your eyes peeled. And they also have the refills there as well, and I know that they're a lot cheaper. So love my Bona mop, couldn't do it without it. And this was the last step to my cleaning video. I hope this was relaxing and motivated you guys to get up and clean your homes as well if you needed that extra push. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.